Right, as with tradition, when I build a new build for myself, and that, obviously that often, I always buy a new set of levels. So let's have a look what we've got. Look, these are my old Bessies. That's a 2 foot, that's a 4 foot Stabila. And I got this one here, I ain't sure what make it is. That's a good heavy one, but that's had its day. See what we've got now, look. I've got some nice brand new, shiny, blinky Stabilas. Now the one I always like to get, and the number is, it's a 96-2. So we'll have a look at all of them. So get all the old wrapper off. Look at this boy. Woohoo! Brand new levels. Oh yes. Get all the old plastic off. I'll tell you what, I've got no excuse this time. I'll have to try and get it level. Okay, that's that one. Let's have a look in the big box. Oh yes. Look at that. Nice new baby 2 foot. Let's unwrap that. Got to get his first outing today. These are the Rolls Royce levels, these are. So that's that same level all those years ago, look.
How old's that one?
That one's probably about 6 years old, 7 years old, that one. And the same with that one, look. Just basically, they get to a point where they had today. So, this is a big, oh yes. Oh yes, look at this. Get the plastic out of that. What we'll do is we'll now get some combo, and then we'll have a little play with them, see how we get on. What's that? Right, what we got? Oh, in far out. Take that. Try this way. So you do a lot of checking at this stage, but once you get right above that, that's just so much easier then, for the sake of a little bit of work. That's good. So now we've done that, we'll get it straight that way. Not get round. Notice I never knock the level. Pretty good that. So now I've got to get it that way as well, on that point. You can see that's different. Get that to that. Looking good. Lovely. Just sort of pulling that out. Ruthless. Yeah, that looking good. She's got a tap at a touch. Get some spectacles. Because that's what we have to have. Right, let's see if we can get some of there. Just what a slight milli-billy, don't it? Milli-billy is a technical term, alright? That's the milli-billy. Sometimes you just get a billy. Let's have a look. That's sweet though. So if I now go back to where we started, I'll show you what we've done. I'll get big G on the old okay, so what we've done, we got this corner built, and now we want to transfer this height. That's got to be our DPC height all the way around. We've got to transfer that height to that corner there. And it's a simple way of doing it. We use, if we got one of those, we use a laser, but we use the basic method we've been doing for hundreds of years. So we get straight on there. We get big G to hold that. You got the balance, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we do is level. So we know that's level. Then what we do next is we turn everything round. Put him on there, and I'll turn that round again. I've got the balance, now we can see, look.
Yeah.
So we now transfer from that corner to there. That's going to measure underneath, and I have got 912 mil. And gauge is 900, so I know I've got a little bit to play with at the bottom, then I'll make that the same height as that.
Yeah.
So that's how you get your gauge, and that's that simple. Then we'll do that each corner, and the damp course will be the same height all the way around.